So in the previous session, we started a Laplace transform. So Laplace transform is very important. So Laplace transform நல்லா தெரிஞ்சிச்சுனா Z transform ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So Z transform தெரிஞ்சாதான் discrete time Fourier transform ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Then we can study for DFT also. So Laplace transform very important. So what is the formula to find Laplace transform of a signal? Laplace transform of x of t. Student, tell me the formula. Student, tell me the formula.
X of s is equal to
Capital X of s equal to integral
minus infinity to plus infinity
minus into plus infinity x of t
of t e power
e
minus
power minus st dt.
dt.
So this is formula to take Laplace transform of a signal x of t. Now is this formula for unilateral or bilateral?
Bilateral.
Bilateral, okay. So this is for bilateral Laplace transform or Laplace transform na inda formula da. But what is unilateral Laplace transform of x of t? Same, capital X of s integral 0 to infinity x of t e raised to minus st dt. So this is formula to find unilateral Laplace transform. But what is the formula for inverse Laplace transform? In various competitive exam, they asked the formula for inverse Laplace transform. So in the formula 1 by 2 pi j integral over sigma minus j infinity to sigma plus j infinity capital X of s e power st ds. This is formula to find inverse Laplace transform. Okay. Now what is important? What is relation between Laplace transform and Fourier transform? Fourier transform of x of t is equal to Laplace transform of x of t when s equal to j omega. Very important relation. So very important relation. And one more thing. So Laplace transform of x of t is equal to Fourier transform of x of t e raised to minus sigma t. So this is also now the important relation. So formula for Laplace transform and formula for unilateral Laplace transform. This is formula for inverse Laplace transform. Then this is the relation between Laplace transform and Fourier transform. Okay. Then next we started
Recording in progress.
உங்க மைக் ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க யமுனா. So and we discussed Laplace transform of area signal. So around 20 problems we discussed. So now we can revise those problems. Then we can start new topic. So this formula revision is very important.
Hello, sir.
Take first. Tell me.
Sir, screen orientation change ஆயிருக்கு.
Okay. இப்போ ஓகேவா?
Okay, sir.
Student? Okay. So take first one. Laplace transform of e raised to minus at u of t. This formula revision very important. Laplace transform of e power at u of t. Then third, Laplace transform of e power minus at u of minus t. Then fourth, Laplace transform of e power minus at, sorry, e power at u of minus t. Yes, for this, write the answer with ROC. Okay, first problem. And second problem, Laplace transform of u of t. Third problem, Laplace transform of u of minus t. Fourth problem, Laplace transform of del of t. Fifth problem, Laplace transform of ramp signal. So ramp signal also called as a TU of t. TU of t. Sixth problem. Laplace transform of P of t parabolic signal also called as a t square by 2 u of t. Yes, students, write down the answer. I will give 2 minutes time. For all this problem, write the answer with ROC. Student, write the answer with ROC. Answer எழுதி practice பண்ணிக்கங்க. So in the revision class, இப்போ ஒரு very important. So first exponential, second u of t, third u of minus t, fourth del of t, fifth ramp signal t u of t, sixth parabolic signal t square by t u of t. So எல்லாத்துக்கும் write answer with ROC. Students have completed answer. One minute. Student, what is answer for first one? 1 by s plus a. Second one, 1 by s minus a. Third one, minus 1 by s plus a. Fourth one,
Sir, screen rotate ஆயிருக்கு sir.
okay, okay. Yes, what is ROC for first one? S greater than minus a for second one. S greater than a for third one. S less than minus a for fourth one. S less than a. If you need to draw first, second, third, fourth. So here we have s equal to minus a. Then here we have s equal to a. Here we have s equal to minus a. Here we have pole s equal to a. For first problem, what is ROC? What is ROC? S greater than minus a. So we can draw like this. For second problem, s greater than a. So we can draw like this. For third problem, s less than minus a. For fourth problem, s less than a. So like that we can draw ROC. Yes. For second question, what is the answer? 1 by s ROC s greater than 0. Here minus 1 by s ROC s less than 0. So for this, so pole s equal 0. Here pole s equal to 0. For this one, ROC s greater than 0. For this one, ROC s less than 0. Yes, what is Laplace of del of t? 1 ROC. ROC entire s plane. And for t, and what is answer? 1 by s square ROC s greater than 0. Here 1 by s cube ROC s greater than 0.
Hello, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, and the second one, S greater than A க்கு ROC வந்து A ல இருந்து தானே சார் வரும்?
எதுங்க?
Second one க்கு S greater than A க்கு சார்.
ஆமா.
அதுக்கு ROC வந்துட்டு minus
அதான் s equal to a இருக்கு, அதுக்கு ரைட் சைடு.
ஓகேங்க சார்.
ஓகேவா?
எஸ் சார்.
Let's take the seventh problem. Yes, seventh problem, take Laplace transform of t square u of t, then Laplace transform of t power cube u of t, then eighth is general formula Laplace transform of t power n u of t, then ninth Laplace transform of t power 5 u of t, then 10th Laplace transform of root t u of t, then 11th Laplace transform of 1 by root t u of t. Yes, write the answer. Laplace transform of t square u of t, t cube u of t, t power n u of t, Laplace of t power 5 u of t, then Laplace of root t u of t, then 1 by root t u of t. Student, write the answer. First நீங்க answer எழுதுங்க, then we can revise the formulas. எஸ் ஃபார்முலா கொஞ்சம் கரெக்டா எழுதுங்க. Yes, for t square u of t, what is the answer? Student, tell me. கொஞ்சம் interact பண்ணுங்க. What is answer for t square u of t?
2 by
Yes,
s cube.
2 by s cube.
Yes, 2 by s cube. Then here
Yes, yes.
3
6
factorial by
by
s power 4. ROC s greater than 0. But here formula n factorial
n
by
factorial by
s power
n
n
plus
plus 1
1
if n equal to
integer.
Suppose if n is not an integer, if n is not an integer, what is the formula? Gamma of n plus 1 divided by s
Yes,
power
power
n
n
plus 1.
plus 1.
Gamma of n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1 if n is not an integer. அப்ப t power 5 என்ன answer? 5
5
factorial
factorial
by
by
s
s
power
power
6.
6.
Yes, root t என்ன எழுதிக்கலாம்? t power 1 by 2 எழுதிக்கலாம். அப்ப இந்த formula யூஸ் பண்ணோம். So gamma of 3 by 2 divided by s power 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2 1 by 2, gamma of 1 by 2 எழுதிக்கலாம். அப்ப root by divided by 2 s power 3 by 2 is the answer. இதுக்கு ROC எங்கேயுமே இல்ல, just ROC தேவையில்லை விட்டுருங்க. Yes, இங்க root t 1 by root t எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம்? We can write t power
Minus
minus 1 by 2.
Minus
அப்ப
1 by 2.
gamma of 1 by 2 divided by s raised to 1 by 2, answer square root of 5 by
5
s.
by s.
Yes, 12th one. Yes, Laplace transform of cos at u of t. Then Laplace transform of sin at u of t. Then Laplace transform of cos h at u of t. Then Laplace transform of sin h at u of t. And 13, Laplace transform of e power minus a minus bt. Okay, e power minus bt cos at u of t. Then Laplace of e power bt cos at u of t. Then Laplace of e power minus bt cos h at u of t. Then Laplace of e power bt cos h at u of t. Yes, answer எழுதுங்க students. See, இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப important. கண்டிப்பா எக்ஸாம்ல ஒரு கேட்பாங்க. So அதனால தான் ஏற்கனவே எடுத்துட்டு again we are revising the formulas. So first you write the answer with ROC, then we can discuss the answer. Students, I will give 2 minutes time. You write the answer, then you can verify with my answer. So again formula copy பண்றதுனால no use. First you have to write the answer, then I will give the correct answer. You can check it. முசாந்திகா லைன்ல இருக்கீங்களா? முசாஃபரி
எஸ் சார்
ஆன்சர் எழுதிட்டீங்களா?
எஸ் சார்
எல்லாமே எழுதி முடிச்சாச்சா?
13 செகண்ட் ஒன் எழுதிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார்.
சரி எழுதி முடிங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
சரி எல்லாருமே ஆன்சர் எழுதுங்க. ஆன்சர் எழுதுனாதான் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Yes, what is answer? Student நீங்க சொல்லுங்க யாராச்சும், நீங்க சொன்னதா எழுதுவேன். cos AT u of t, what is answer?
S by S plus A square.
S by S square plus A square, what is ROC? S
S
greater than
greater
0.
greater
Sin
than
AT,
0.
what is the answer? A by
S
Square
plus A
square.
what is ROC?
S greater
S
than
is greater than 0.
Yes, here
S by S square minus A square.
S square minus A square, what is ROC?
S is
S
greater than A.
Here
A by S
What is
square minus
ROC?
A square.
S greater than
S is greater than A.
Yes, here first cos AT u of t எடுத்துட்டு ஆன்சர்ல S replaced by S plus B. So அப்ப cos AT u of t, so answer S replaced by S plus B, S plus B whole square plus A square. What is ROC?
S greater than minus B.
S greater than minus B. Then here answer S minus B divided by S minus B whole square plus A square. ROC S greater than B. Then here answer cos S plus B divided by S plus B whole square minus A square. What is ROC? S greater than
S greater than A minus
A
B.
minus B.
A minus B. Then last S minus B divided by S minus B whole square minus A square. What is ROC?
S is greater than A plus B.
Yes, S is greater than A plus B.
சார் ROC மட்டும் ஒன்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க சார்.
நேத்து நீங்க கேட்டிருக்கணும்ல, நேத்து அட்டன் பண்ணலையா நீங்க?
அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண சார், ஈவினிங் பார்க்கும்போது கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆச்சு. இந்த லாஸ்ட் ரெண்டு மட்டும்.
அதான் இந்த பிளஸ் பி இல்லைன்னா என்ன வரும்? S greater than A வரும். அந்த பிளஸ் பி அந்த சைடு போச்சுன்னா S greater than A minus B. ஓகேவா?
ஓகே சார்.
இந்த மைனஸ் A ஸ்கொயர் மட்டும் இருக்குல்ல, அப்ப S greater than A ன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. இங்க S க்கு பதிலா S plus B ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணோம். B அந்த சைடு போறப்ப A minus B ஆயிரும்.
ஓகே.
ஸோ நீங்க நேற்று படிச்சிருக்கிறீங்க, டவுட் கூட கேட்டிருக்கிறீங்க. ஸோ எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் படிச்சிங்களான்னு தெரியல. ஸோ அன்னன்னைக்கு கிடைக்கிறத அன்னன்னைக்கே ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்க, ஷார்ட் நோட்ஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்க. S14 எழுதிடுறேன். e power minus bt sin at u of t then e power bt sin at u of t, then e power minus bt sin h at u of t, then e power bt sin h at u of t, then 15 Laplace of d e power minus at u of t, Laplace of t e power at u of t, then Laplace of e power minus at t square u of t, then Laplace of e power minus at t raised to n u of t. Yes, students, you please write the answer. I will give 2 minutes time. Yes, answer. Student, first can answer.
1 by
A divided by
s
A divided by
plus
B the whole
plus a square. What is ROC?
S greater than minus B.
s
Yes.
is greater
The
than
next A
minus
divided
B
by
by S
S
minus
minus
B
B
the whole
whole
square.
square plus R
s
square.
minus
What
b
is
the whole
ROC?
square plus
s greater than
a greater
Next
than b.
A by
a
S plus
by
B.
s plus b the whole
ROC S greater than
square
A minus B.
a
Then here answer A by
minus a square.
minus A square. What is
A
ROC? S
minus
greater
B.
than A plus B.
Yes, minus b the whole square. A plus b.
Yes, here for T, what is the answer? 1 by S square. So 1 by S plus A whole square. ROC S greater than minus A.
Square.
1 by S minus A whole square. ROC S greater than A. So இங்க T square இருக்கு, அப்ப 2 by S cube வரும், அப்ப S plus A whole cube ROC S greater than minus A. Then here T power n integer எடுத்துங்க. Assume n is integer. அப்ப what is answer? N factorial by s plus a whole power n plus 1 ROC s greater than minus a. So Laplace transform தான் ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும் and also ரொம்ப important. So Laplace transform நல்லா படிச்சீங்கன்னா Z transform ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Z transformல இருந்து discrete time Fourier transform ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Next DFT ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Yes, 16th problem. Take அதுல first Laplace transform of e power s minus 3t u of t plus e power 4t u of t with ROC. Second, Laplace transform of e power minus 3t u of minus t plus e power 4t u of minus t. Third, Laplace transform of e power minus 3t u of t plus e power 4t u of minus t. Then fourth, Laplace transform of e power minus 3t u of minus t plus e power 4t u of minus t. Sorry, u of t. Yes, write down the answer for these problems and ROC. Yes, first can answer 1 by s plus 3 plus 1 by s plus, sorry, s minus 4. Yes, 1 by s minus 4. So poles, what are the two poles? Minus 3 and 4. So what is ROC?
S greater than
S
4.
greater than 4. Yes. ROC S greater than 4. So we can draw like this. ROC S greater than 4. Yes, for second one, what is answer? Minus 1 by S plus 3 plus minus 1 by S minus 4.
3 plus 1 by minus 4.
Poles are minus 3 and 4. Yes, what about ROC? This
Yes,
is
less than
anti-causal. So ROC is left side of leftmost pole. So ROC is left side of leftmost pole. So ROC is less than minus 3. But for this, what is the answer? 1 by S plus 3 plus
1
minus 1 by S minus 4.
by S plus
Poles are minus 3 and 4. So first க்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா S greater than minus 3 வரும் ஏன்னா right sided signal. Second க்கு S less than 4 வரும். So ROC is this region. So you can write ROC for this problem. Minus 3 less than S less than 4. So S க்கு பதிலா real part of S யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் or sigma யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஆப்ஷன்ல எது வேணாலும் இருக்கும். But for this problem, if you write minus 1 by S plus 3 plus 1 by S minus 4, minus 3 and 4 poles are minus 3 and 4. Yes, for first term S less than minus 3. For second term S greater than 4, no common ROC. Take no common ROC. Fourth problem ரொம்ப important. நிறைய டைம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So Laplace transform does not exist. So this answer also wrong. Laplace transform does not exist. So இதுல first one stable or unstable? First one. Student first stable or unstable? Unstable.
Unstable, sir.
Because of this is J omega axis. So this is sigma axis J omega. So ROC does not include the J omega axis, therefore unstable. Second is stable or unstable?
Stable.
Unstable. ROC does not include J omega axis, unstable. Third,
Stable.
stable. Okay. Fourth, we cannot take Laplace transform. This is invalid. Yes, 17th problem. X of t equal to e power minus a mod t. We can split as a e power minus at u of t plus e power at u of minus t. So x of s. For first term 1 by s plus a. For second term minus 1 by s minus a. So poles are minus a plus a. This is also important problem. Okay, for first term ROC s greater than minus a, for second term s less than a. So ROC lies between two poles. So ROC minus a less than s less than a. So 18 unilateral Laplace transform of 1 equal to 1 by s ROC s greater than 0. Okay, so these are the important problems on Laplace transform. Then we completed properties of ROC also. Okay, we completed properties of ROC. So totally we completed 7 properties. You go through that. Have you written this? So these are the very important properties. So using this formula only, all the important formulas, using this formula only, we have to apply the properties also. So these formulas are very important with the ROC. You should know about ROC also.